Are you ready to kick off the new year with a bang? It's that time again. Time to dive into your aspirations and craft the roadmap for success in 2024. January signals a fresh start, a blank canvas, waiting for us to paint our dreams and ambitions upon. Let's face it, setting goals can sometimes feel like stepping into a minefield, full of good intentions, but lacking in execution. The key? Setting intentions that are not only ambitious, but also practical and achievable. Forget those lofty resolutions destined to fizzle out by February. Instead, let's embrace the concept of SMART goals. But before we go deeper into this, let's understand why it's not just a trivial exercise, but a vital tool for personal growth and achievement. Goal setting isn't about randomly throwing ideas at a wall and hoping something sticks. It's a deliberate, strategic process designed to empower you to define, pursue, and accomplish your aspirations in a way that resonates with you. Here are reasons why it's so important. Firstly, goal setting is like herding ducks, aligning all your scattered ambitions. As human beings, we're all too familiar with the overwhelming feeling of having a mountain of tasks and dreams without a clear path forward. Setting goals provides that path, organizing your thoughts and ambitions into a coherent strategy for success. Secondly, it allows you to measure your progress. Without clear milestones along the way, your goals can feel like nebulous dreams floating in the ether. By setting tangible targets and tracking your advancements, you ensure you're on the right track and adjust course if needed. Thirdly, accountability is a powerful motivator. Sharing your goals with others, whether colleagues, friends, or family, holds you responsible for your actions. The fear of public scrutiny can be a driving force behind achieving your objectives. Lastly, goal setting fuels personal growth. Stepping outside your comfort zone, pursuing new challenges, and pushing your boundaries are essential for development. Goals provide the framework for this growth, guiding you towards becoming the best version of yourself. Now, how and when do you start setting goals? The answer is simple: right now. Every moment wasted is a moment you can't reclaim. Whether it's the dawn of a new year or a random Tuesday afternoon, there's no wrong time to begin. But before you go on this journey, introspection is key. Self-awareness lays the foundation for effective goal setting, helping you understand your desires, motivations, and values. By reflecting on your past achievements, failures, and areas of growth, you gain valuable insights that inform your future goals. So, what question should you ask yourself when looking back? Celebrate your successes, learn from your failures, and assess your growth and impact. When looking forward, be specific about your goals. Understand why they matter. Align them with broader objectives and outline actionable steps with measurable outcomes. SMART goals are the secret sauce to success, breaking down our aspirations into specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely objectives. They're the cornerstone of countless business strategies and fitness regimens, and perfect for navigating life's twists and turns. So here's the game plan. First, take stock of where you are and where you want to be in 12 months across all facets of your life. Then, craft your SMART goals, each one a beacon guiding you towards personal growth and fulfillment. Make them specific, clearly defining what you aim to achieve and why it matters. Ensure they're measurable, allowing you to track your progress with precision. Keep them achievable, understanding that even the loftiest aspirations can be realized with determination and perseverance. Ensure they're relevant to your current circumstances, resonating deeply with your values and priorities. And lastly, make them timely, setting deadlines to infuse your journey with purpose and urgency. But don't stop there. Make your goals visible and share them with the world, whether it's through social media posts, conversations with loved ones, or a tangible vision board. Accountability is the key to staying on track. Remember, flexibility is your friend. Goals evolve, priorities shift, and that's okay. Stay nimble, recalibrate when necessary, and above all, keep striving for progress. So let's make 2024 our year of triumph. Let's dream big, work smart, and turn our aspirations into reality. Are you ready to make some SMART goals and seize the day? Let's do this. Join us in future explorations of Mississippi's hidden gems and fascinating tales. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories from the heart of the Magnolia State. Until next time.